Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how to download the app Startup Show on a Google Chromecast. If this video helps you, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, what you're going to want to do, this is your home screen. You're going to want to go to the top, over to the right to settings. So you'll click the settings gear at the top right. Then you want to come down here and find apps, see all apps, show system apps. Then you want to go down to the G's and find the Google Play Store. It's a little ways down here. So there it is. We'll go ahead and open it up. Now once you're in here, you want to go to the top to search, down and right to the search bar, type in Startup Show. So go ahead and click it and hit install. Alright, now that Startup Show is installed, you can hit the home button on your remote, and then it's right on your home screen. If you want to move it to the front, you can hold down on it, hit move, and then move it to the start. So that's it for the video. You've successfully installed Startup Show. If this video helped out, please be sure to like and subscribe. Like I said, it really helps out the channel. Thank you.